Got here 4 minutes before they open. Finally opened. Let's go see what's going on here. All right, we're gonna do a super quick run through real quick. Don't see any of like the refurbs up top. Also only 20% off this weekend. More refurbs in the women's section, but nothing crazy. Yeah, especially the huge section, nothing. I'm specifically looking for size 10.5 for my kiddo, nothing really. See some Kobe 9 Elites in the men's section, size 11, 180, so they did drop the price, and then you get another 20 off on top. That's not bad. So someone put it here on purpose, as this is where the huge sizes are supposed to be, but there's a 9.5 of those right there. This is marked down to 80. That 20% off really makes it tough, man. But if we can find something dope at a half decent price, 110 for the next Genesis. Is that what the next gens are called? The latest next gen? LeBron 22 right here, $90. That is gently one. 80 for the next gens right here. Of course, this one right here, look at this, 55 size 8. That's the difference between extended size pricing and regular pricing. Look at that, $25 cheaper. Size 9 Jordan 4RM. If the price was decent on this, I might think about it for my kiddo, but nah. $60. This is a pretty good price, $60. And then another 20 off. That's what, $12 off. So $48 for the P6000s. Not finding the huge bargains today. These are definitely not a Quest. That's $70 for a Vomero's. Not too bad. I thought these were the lows. Never mind. But yeah, $90 for that. That's not bad. So they still do have some deals. Pair of the Luka 4s already. To be able to get 20% off, not too bad. So still finding a few things here and there. So it looks like 8.5. That is where they did a lot of the extended size pricing. Size 8 right here. Okay, that's good to know. If that's the case, gotta do a quick search to see if there's anything extended size priced here in the aisles. It's this type of stuff right here. Look at this, 55, and bigger sizes they go down to $38. You get an extra 20 off. So that's like $30 for Immortalities. 11.5 and above are marked down. And these are the things that you got to check right here. Stuff that's already discounted, but not seeing anything else though. All right, let's see what's going on in the apparel section. 40% off. What's this right here? Authentic LeBron jersey. That's one of the latest ones because 17 championships. $200. You get 40 off on top. So $120 for a LeBron jersey. Not too bad. Authentic LeBron jersey, that is. You can see the letters are stitched in and stuff. This is a size large. Yeah, it's a large. Got some tech fleece right here. Someone's over there, so I'm gonna do the pants first. 135, 40 off. Jordan sweats 55, fleece $30. Some track pants 87.97. Are these the Ja shorts? I think these are the Ja Moran shorts right here. Yeah, there's that logo. $32. See, with that 40 off, everything becomes a decent deal. Nothing crazy, but decent deals. $30. Actually, that LeBron deal was actually really good. Jacket or work shirt. Super thick work shirt, $40. Jordan t-shirt, $35. Normally $50. Checking out the smalls right here. T-shirt. What's up with this? FC Barcelona. Ooh, is this a Kobe? FC Barcelona jersey, $170. You get 40 off, so it's like $100. Damn, dude, that's a pretty decent find. It feels like an authentic Because the jersey material, super light. It's like super light, but it's like fabric. It's not like that synthetic stuff. Another work shirt. UCLA polo right here, $68. Dang, I wish I could find a little bit more dope apparel, especially with 40 off. All right, let's knock out the back wall. Obviously, it's only 20 off, but maybe we could find something extended size priced. Smaller section right here. Look at this, 8.5, $67.99. That comes out to, what's that come out to? 20% off on top. So it's at $55-ish. And I just realized I didn't even check my size. 10 and a half. I'm tripping, dude. So focused on other people. I actually have a refurb right here. Luca 360. $5. Size 11 for these, what they're talking about. $60. So $48 for mid, you guys. That's not bad at all. So even when the sale stuff, they still got stuff, man. They still got stuff. You got the Luna Rome 55 size 10. $60 for these, really? $60. So $48 for the Jordan 1 mid right here. Wow. $65 for the Cortez. This is a women's though, but in the wrong spot. Luca 3s, $50. Blazer, low acronyms, $50. P6000, $70 for these. These are all size 12s. LeBron 22s. The Christmas colorway, $100. I was hoping to find this size 12 for one of my workers. Did not really work out. We got these going for $90. Jordan 4 RMs right here, $110. 11.5 Pegasus Plus, $130. Why is there size 9 right here? This is $60 though. $60 freaking dollars if your kids need basketball shoes. That is dope. $80 for these size 13s. Dang, the huge sizes, not much. P6000, $70. 13 and above, not much, you guys, not much. But these are going for $80. I bet you this is not priced. That should be going for what, $60? A couple more 40% off racks. Mostly t-shirts on this one though, $20. If you need a t-shirt this color, they got you at $6 after the discount. Definitely a liquidation, definitely clearance. $6 t-shirts. It's pretty crazy. Got this blue one. That one's $6 as well. They got more of the same over here. A bunch of t-shirts. Nothing too special. JDI t-shirts and stuff. If you need t-shirts for your kids, $6 t-shirts with Nike logos all over them. Then over here, I think we have basketball shorts. Yeah, basketball shorts right here. 40% off. But what is 40% off? What? $36. So should be around 20 bucks. Maybe a little under. Oh, they got some here for $25. So, but yeah, that color is a little difficult. Got a blue one right here. What they talking about? I guess the prices do go up and down like crazy. $35 for these. All right, let's knock out the aisles. Got a few non-signature J's. Yeah, this is technically a signature, but I don't think most people consider the Why Not series a really dope signature. But yeah, they got a few. But yeah, they got more on the back side over here. And they do have some Jordan 4 RMs, mids, lows, SE lows right here. Another one with some nice tumbled leather on those. Wow. The next gens. I've seen a ton of these on the back wall. And LeBron 22s, patent leather of the 21s right here. And got some budget signature. These are the Witness 7s. Then the GT Cut 3s. We've been seeing a few of these here and there at Ross, but of course sizing definitely an issue. Hopefully the price goes down a little bit. Got a few slides. Summer's already winding down, which is freaking crazy. Man, I'm getting old because time's just flying by. I can't believe the summer's already done. Got a couple Luna Romes in some bright colorways. Then dude got Dunks. I'm used to the SB version of these wheat ones. But it's an SE, dude. My SB one at home is so much nicer. At $125, I think the SB Dunks are like the biggest bargain. Did they go to $130 now? I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, that's the men's sneakers. I don't really see too many Premier running shoes. Oh wait, they do have a couple Air Max right here. Air Max 90s. This is the B grade. And they're starting to do some extended size pricing. 105 you get. Oh, but no extra discount though. It's $129.97. I'll bet you get 20% off. I'll bet you do. It's like all the other ones, I'm telling you. But with these, do watch out. You know, if you don't care, that's not that big of a deal. But the midsole and the midsole and the upper, way different colors. That happened with a lot of these. We have seen ones where the colors do match. Like we've seen those at the retail shops. We got the Air Max DNs right here. Do got some random stuff right here on sale, 40% off. I was like, hey, do I need to get this for my kid? It's youth. And then men's sizes 6 to 8, so that's not gonna work for my kiddo. But you get 40% off, and it's already discounted. $20 down to $10, and then 40% off, so $6, $20 to $6 freaking bucks. If any of your kids need Jordan, are these crew socks or like the longer socks? I don't know what the hell they're called. The one that come past your ankles. They do have these also on sale. I doubt it went from 15 or 13 down to 50, up to 15. I don't know, whatever. It seems like they made a mistake. But those are 3 packs. I'm not a fan of the everyday socks. The Nike everyday socks are so mediocre. But they do got these Nike heritage socks. These are kind of cool. 2 pairs. You get one of each color, and they're down to $6 freaking bucks. These are dope, dude. These are dope. I don't think my kid would like the stripes, but those are freaking dope. And they're down to $6. They got some more everyday socks right here. They're down to $6, normally $15. Backpacks, 25% off, $60. These are the Nike Elite backpacks for basketball. Also got regular backpacks right here, $45, $35, and then they got the clear ones to match your girlfriend's heels if you got one of those. But if not, you could take this to sporting events, stuff like that. Probably what it's meant for. $45. And if you got girlfriend with clear heels, and yeah, like you probably should be worrying about others. Because that is the uniform, right? Uniform of some of the women that work at the gentlemen's clubs, right? I don't know what the hell I'm even talking about. All right, check out the women's clearance section right here. All right, in the huge sizes, I did check this earlier, but nothing crazy. You got some Pegasus Trails right here, $50. These are size 12, so 10.5. Colors kind of iffy, but $50. That's what, $40 after savings. Slightly imperfect Zoom flies right here. If any of you guys are runners, big time runners, these are specifically for racing, like budget racing and speed run shoes. If you're training for speed, yeah, they got these. I don't think these have carbon fiber. I think they've historically had fiberglass instead of carbon fiber, and they got Zoom X now. They always made these with React. But yeah, $85, you get that extra 20% off. That is a good substitute for the Zoom flies if they're too expensive. Trying to get into running, but I can't stand running. I'll run 4 miles here and there. I haven't ran in a while, to be honest. You got some 270s right here. 170 still, damn. Wait, what's up with these right here? Invincible runs, size 8. These are 90 freaking bucks, especially with that 20 off. Man, that's a killer. I need to give a couple of those out. I keep forgetting. Gamma Force is $48. These are gently worn. Dunks going for $85. Calm slides down here, $30. Not bad. Max DNs, we've been seeing these for hella cheap, $80. Infinity Run 4 is $80 as well. These are gently worn. Women's section, we got way more refurbs, guys. Session, nothing, $80 for these. Definitely not seeing the extended size pricing in the women's. Different from the men's. All right, let's check out the aisles, and then kind of want to go next door because Ross's have been pretty decent. Do got these Vomero 5s. Seeing a lot of these. This gray one can match with almost anything. Trio of Air Max DNs. White and gray. All black right there. $270 in all black. Women's Cortez, of course, these will go down in price. Biggest size, size 10. Omnipresent at the Nike outlet. Got blazers. Bill Shot 2s. Sail gum right here. Elemental pink dunks. Black and white. Rose whisper. Photon dust white. Then some P6000s. And they do have these right here. Price a little high, but of course we're gonna wait for them to hit the back wall. But the biggest size, oh, they do have a size 11. They have a size 11 and a size 10 women's. That's the biggest size. So dang it, I don't think I'm gonna get that lucky. Maybe if these hit the back wall, maybe? Yeah, because they got bigger sizes than this one. Maybe if this hits the back wall, maybe I'll grab one of these. All right, Ross been hitting lately. Well, they've been hitting here and there because some of their prices have been pretty outrageous. Let's see what's up over here. Air Max DN. So I'm starting in the size 7 section. This is definitely ain't no size 7, 80 bucks. Got these Shaq shoes right here, $18. They got like fake on running shoes now. What the hell? Of course, we always got MB. What are these? The threes? The threes right here, 50 bucks. Got some Adidas slides. These are the cloud foam ones. So these are pretty freaking comfortable. Size 9 right here. What they talk about? Like 12 bucks? 12 bucks? $20. Even that's pretty freaking high, dude. What the hell? I was hyping Ross up and then they're gonna do us like this. Got some Metcons right here. $55. That's actually not bad. In the size 10, I think 10 and a half section. And you got these Cosmic Uni $360. Still finding these Hoka slides. We've been finding in the women's section lately. Color's a little iffy. $17 for those. Moving on to the bigger section right here. I see some Adidas Pure Boost, 50 bucks. Seeing multiple slides. And these are comfy, but 20 bucks, a little bit high. Witnesses being marked down. I think that's supposed to be what, 35? Got the Puma MB slides right here. What they talk about? They talk about $17. That's better than those Adidas slides. Streak flies in a huge size middle distance with Zoom X. What they talking about the price was? I don't know. Let's see a price tag. Oh, $80. Then they got some huge Hokas. These are effing huge, like stack wise and size wise. $90. $90. I don't know what model this is, but how many size 15s are trying to have a bunch of flowers and stuff on their shoes? Like, really? Really? And I think the last thing right here, do you got these mids, $70 for the SE mids. Oh wait, we got another one of these Hoka slides. Maybe a better color, $25. All right, women's section over here. We're gonna find more of these Hoka slides. See, this color ain't too bad. That is 25 bucks, so not bad for Clifton midsole. We sure have seen a lot of Air Max 1s. The starting price has been 70 bucks. Got some Converse right here, classic Converse, $40. That's only like $20 under retail, not even that great of a deal. 30 for the grade school MB, the MB2s, MB3s. More Chucks, 37. And then we've been seeing these, the GT Cut 3s, $35. This is a grade school. This is a size 6. If your kiddo plays hoops, your woman plays hoops, $35. That is such a bargain. Holy cow, that's so cheap. That's about it, y'all. I'm gonna hit up a few other shops. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. We out.